Hi, this is Steve Hosher with RazorGage, and today I'm going to show you a new feature of our work order screen. The work order screen is part of the standard RazorGage software. It doesn't cost extra to get it. It is accessible from the main screen by this button here, Work Order Screen. So I'm going to click this. Now, in the past, the work order screen was always designed to be a downloading screen where the cut list is created in the office and downloaded. It's our free download capability. It doesn't have as much capability as the auto list. It doesn't optimize or anything, but it didn't cost anything, and we've always had that pretty much since the beginning. But now we've made it so that you can create a cut list with quantities and count the quantities down from the screen. We've also added absolute mode and incremental mode buttons to the work order screen itself. In the past, you had to put the RazorGage in one of these two modes before you went into the work order screen to make it be a stop or a pusher, and that wasn't really intuitive, so we added the buttons here so you can change it back and forth. So here's how it works. I'm going to click Create New Work Order File. I have length and quantity. I'll say length of 7, quantity of 2, and add position and quantity to list. Then I'll add 2.25, quantity of 6, add position and quantity to list. I'll add 75.5, quantity of 3, add position and quantity to list. So you can see it's really intuitive. Then I'm going to save the list, and I will call it new sample with quantity. And I'll return to work order screen. I'm going to open work order, new sample with quantity, open, line number 1, length of 7, quantity remaining 2 of 2. I'll hit pretend now I can go into incremental mode. If I had this hooked up to a real machine, I would click load button, and the software asks me for the stock length and the amount of trim I want on the leading edge. So I'll just accept that. If this was a real machine, the go would be lit up so I could press it. I'm going to just pretend that it went ahead and went. I'm going to click part was cut, and you can see the remaining quantity. We have cut 1 of 2. And I click it again, and we've jumped to the next line number 2. Here is the length. The remaining quantity is 6. And as I click part was cut, it counts down until we get to the 3rd line, and then just continues that way. So it's real simple, but it packs a lot of power. It's something that we haven't had for a long time ever, because the auto list does all that stuff for us. But now we've added this nice functionality to the work order screen, which doesn't cost extra. So let us know if you have any questions, or if you want to upgrade your software to include this new functionality. Thanks a lot for listening, and have a great day.